there. I am going to try to do a quick tutorial on how to access the classroom notebook through our Teams. This is where I'm going to be posting some reading and math. It allows you to go ahead and write right there on the page so I can actually see the students' work and will be able to help them a lot better. So first you have to log into your My Sarasota County website, and most people's looks something like this. They probably have different backgrounds, but this is where you see your tiles. This is where you find your iReady. This is where you find your iExcel. Right now you're going to the science book and the math book here. It's going to be the same website. You're going to click on your Office 365 tile. If you do not know where that is, you can just click on the search engine and put in Office, and it's going to be this black tile that says Office 365. When you click on this tile, it should come up with a selection on all several selections for you to choose from. Um, And this is where you can get to your email by clicking on Outlook. You can save things on a OneDrive here, which is like a cloud. You can use the Word document to type in some of your written responses or your answers for me. If you don't have extra paper and pencil lying around, you can always um, type in your responses and send them to me as well. This is where you create your PowerPoint. But what we're going to be looking at today is in Teams. So you can just click on Teams and it should take you to our class team, or if you have more than one team for different teachers, it'll have all of them there. I have a Wilkinson one for the teachers, and then I have the one that I created for our class. So you're going to click on the one that has my name, 1920, and it will bring you to our class team. And here on posts, this is where we can type and talk to each other if you have questions, if you need to meet with me, if I want to meet with you, things like that. And we can talk back and forth. You're also going to see when I post new assignments here, it'll come up as your activity, you'll get a notification. What I wanted to show you was the class notebook. Mine's going to look a little bit different than yours, but that's okay because you'll get the idea of it. So when you come here, it has a welcome page. You're going to need to click on the little purple arrow on the left-hand side, and that'll open up. Mine has all of our students' names. Each of yours will just have only your name. When you click on your name, it has like a bunch of folders. Within those folders are going to be the different materials that you are going to need for different subjects. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and show you your math materials. So click on math and it'll give you your math assignments for the week. The first one in there is going to be all of your on the spot videos. You just need to click on the link and it'll pop up the video for you. Next is going to be the workbook pages that you're going to need to do throughout the week. When you click on it, the actual Go Math book comes up. And when you scroll down to the part where you have to start doing something, all you need to do is click on the word draw, click on your writing utensil, what color you want, and you can start to draw. When you do this, I can see what you're doing. So if you were to turn this in as 61 cents and you had 10, 10, and 10, I know that something's not right because 10 cents, 10 cents, and 10 cents is 30 cents. So that means I can bring this up when we do our meeting, or I can message you and try to help you that way. But this way I will be able to see your work and your thinking. That way I can help you better. If you make a mistake and you say, oh, that's not right, I need to fix that, just click on the eraser and you can erase everything that you did. If it is asking for a written response, you can either try to write on there the best you can, or you can click on the one with the little mouse, the A and the symbol, and just double click, and it gives you a little text box. So describe how you chose the coins for each way. I could say I chose 2 quarters, 2 quarters, and 7 pennies. And actually say I used 2 quarters because that equals 50 cents. Then I added 7 pennies to make 57 cents, period. That way, if it seems like it's going to be too hard to write on the screen, you can always type it, and then you can move your little text box around to be where you need it to be. I hope this helped explain the class notebook. The other thing I wanted to show you is if you are not able to find the assignments within your folders, the other thing you can do is click on assignments at the top, and all of the assignments for the week, or all of the assignments that I have assigned through Teams, which right now is only reading and math, you should be able to click over here on whatever it is that you need. For example, the reading, and yours should come up for you right there. You might have to click on the little thing and it'll come up for you under assignments also. Same thing, if you need to edit, just click on edit a notebook and you'll have the same options as you had the other way. Draw, I can text, I can type in my written response here, or I can write or highlight what I need to. Again, just click on the link and it should take you to the read aloud and then written response. Again, you can either access the assignments underneath your individual name and in your folders, or you can access them under assignments. So either way, you should be able to find the assignments. If you can't remember whether you've turned something in or not, you can click on grades, and this will look a little bit different for you, but it'll be just your name, and then it'll have all of the assignments, and it'll let you know whether you have turned them in or not. So that way, if you're not sure whether or not you turned something in, you can always check your own work and make sure that you turned in everything that you needed to. I hope that both parents and students alike found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, please let me know. I'm going to be trying to use this for reading and math moving forward. I will also continue to use the Go Math and the read alouds through the lessons like I have been. That way, if you can't figure this out or find it, you can still continue to do the assignments the way that we have been in the past. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to email or message me, and hopefully I will be able to answer the questions quickly for you. Thank you so much and have a great day, guys.